What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today we're gonna be going through Fordham Road, the Bronx. Thank you, boss. I'm gonna let you guys also enjoy the view, so if you don't hear me talking, this is my first time commentating on a video. I like watching, you know, a combination of both, people commentating and also just enjoying the view. Right here, I can honestly state that this is one of the worst intersections. It goes to the highway, as you can see, the Mayor Deegan, and it also goes to the local streets. It's always congested over here, especially in the summertime. Let me get out of here. Again, I hope the audio is good, because I don't even know, to be honest. See what I'm talking about? People already honking. It's a mess over here. And it's not even busy right now either, so it's still early in the morning. So usually when I go up hills, I put at a higher speed. You know, I don't want to be struggling going up these hills. That ain't sound good. It's a little windy today. It's supposed to be hot later on, so let's see. I will be going through some sidewalks so you can also see how it is. The stores, the neighborhoods. Try to make this light. I'm going on the sidewalk right now. People in the comments say that I be too close to people. Trust me, it's the camera angle. All right, let's see how to do this. Honestly, I didn't even know if Fordham Road has a bike lane. Now that I think about it, this street is busy and it goes kind of far. I'm surprised I don't have one. Scan the sidewalk again. Yeah, motorcycles. Yeah, so according to some articles, Fordham Road is technically a dangerous neighborhood in New York City. Right now it's so cold, so it's not as, you know, crazy as it is in the summertime. Usually in the summertime it's packed over here. And I could agree, it could get a little hectic. What are these guys doing? Come on. Yeah. Alright, so we're in Fordham Road, Grand Concourse. See the fine NYPD. One day I'll do a video going to Grand Concourse. A lot of sneaker stores in Fordham Road. A lot of sneaker stores. This is line to go to Bank of America.
Why you think even if you
It's too congested in there. But yeah, technically there's no bike lane, so I'll be riding around both locations. buy anything over here. Got the Gucci, the Louis, everything for the low over here at Fordham Road. So technically this area right here is pretty new. It's like a little plaza where you could take the bus. Obviously a lot of things are closed because of COVID. So I could adjust the camera a little better. If you guys ever seen that infamous Applebee's video with that girl giving the guy some pleasure, this is the Applebee's right here. I don't know if that video is fake, staged, or if it's real, but it was there. But yeah, like I said earlier, there's a lot of stores over here. There's a lot of people. Right now it's early, so it's not as busy. You got everything over here. So in front of us, you got Fordham University. Let me see if I can get across. I believe to the right of us is a high school. I'm not sure, to be honest. I know it's a school for sure. But right in front of us is Fordham University. I'm waiting for the lights to change. Can I go inside here? I don't even think they have anybody in there. But yeah, in order to get in Fordham University, you gotta be, you know, super smart. Like it's expensive to go in there. Let's see if we can go back there. Yeah, they have 2 security guards over there. They definitely wouldn't let me inside with this electric bike. But yeah, the campus is nice. I think they do have school in session. Usually more busier. All right, I'm off track. I'm doing the video about Fordham Road. Technically, Fordham University is part of it. But let's get back to it. All right, a typical New Yorker going the wrong way. All right, I'm gonna keep going the wrong way. trying to get your tattoo done, though, I heard this spot right here is pretty nice. Spot right in front of us. But again, with COVID, everything is closed. So we almost coming into an end to Fordham Road. The road stops by the Bronx Zoo, and that's where I'm gonna finish this video. Might be a short one, like the Dykeman video that I posted the other day. But you know, it's just to show y'all that these neighborhoods that people say is horrible, it's not as bad as it seems. But don't get me wrong, it does get crazy in Fordham Road in the summertime especially. So it goes half and half, I guess. But here you go, the infamous Bronx Zoo. Here's one of the biggest zoos, if I'm not mistaken. Alright guys, this is where we conclude the video. I'm gonna keep exploring the Bronx, but obviously I need to make different content, so this is gonna be the Fordham Road content. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if Fordham Road look as dangerous as it seems according to the articles.